family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious puff pastry recipe with guava and cream cheese that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
I want to show you the ingredients, very few ingredients. 1 egg, cream cheese, guava paste, and of course the start, the puff pastry dough. And here I want to start first with the egg. I'm adding a splash of cold water and I'm mixing very well. I want this to be nice and runny so that I could really coat the puff pastry with this amazing egg and water mixture. And here I have the guava paste. I'm cutting in small little pieces, nice and thin, little squares. The reason that I'm cutting them just like that is because I am going to cook and make it nice and creamy. Here I'm going to add a little bit of water, maybe 1/4 of a cup of water, and I'm going to take it to the stove. I am going to start cooking it in medium heat until the guava paste has dissolved completely and it's nice and creamy. This really takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Remember to cook it in medium heat, not in high heat. Gradually, you will start noticing that the guava paste is going to start melting away, incorporated into the water, and then the mixture is going to be nice and smooth and thick. This is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. After those minutes, look at this. It's nice and creamy. You can no longer see the little squares of the guava paste, and this is exactly how you want it. This mixture is going to be perfect to add it into our filling of the pastry dough. Look at this. I am transferring it into a bowl so it starts gradually cooling down, coming to room temperature. Look at the thickness. Look how smooth it is. And this is exactly how you want it. Look at this. Okay, I am ready. Let's continue preparing the rest of the ingredients. I have 1 block of cream cheese, 8 ounces. I am going to start slicing away almost the same thickness so that they really incorporate into the guava paste. The guava paste and the cream cheese is going to melt in together and really absorb those amazing flavors of the guava paste. Look at this. There is no need to add any sugar to your cream cheese. Just slice away, trying to make all the pieces almost the same thickness and the same length. And now let me show you. Look at this. This little pastry dessert, it's so delicious that I know that once you make it, you're going to continue enjoying what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her family. And this is how I buy the sheets of the puff pastry. Look at this. Of course, you could find it in very different shapes, but I buy these squares and it's perfect for this dessert. And of course, let me show you. I have all the ingredients ready. I'm going to add a little bit of granulated sugar right on the top, right before I put them in the oven. Look, granulated sugar, the paste of the guava, the puff dough, and of course, cream cheese and egg. Let's start making these amazing mini cakes with these amazing ingredients. I have the cream cheese, the guava paste, and of course, I am going to add a little bit of the glue of the egg so that I really cover the edges. And with the fork, I'm going to make that a beautiful design. I'm going to press it in so that nothing comes out when it's baking in the oven. I have preheated my oven to 375 Fahrenheit. You want the oven to be really nice and hot before you add your baking dish with these amazing mini cakes. Look at this. I was almost forgetting to add the egg that is going to seal completely the edges. Of course, with the fork, I am helping myself, making sure that when they are baking in the oven, nothing comes out. Everything stays inside. Look how easy it is to make this amazing mini cakes. Of course, if you have little ones at home, invite them in the kitchen so they could help you assemble these amazing mini cakes. Look at this. Look how easy it is. I am sure you're going to love them. Easy to prepare with ingredients you find in any supermarket. Okay, this is going to be the last one. And now I am ready to show you what is the next step. We're going to cover them completely with the egg mixture. The egg mixture is going to give it a nice and glossy texture, and then we're adding some granulated sugar right on the top so they're nice and sweet and they get golden brown from the top. Look at this. They're gonna go in the oven 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I'm making a little cuts right on the top so the steam comes out and this dough gets nice and fluffy. And after 20 minutes, look how beautiful they are. Really crispy, really puffy. They're golden brown from the top and golden brown from the bottom. This is exactly what you want to hear. This is exactly what you want to enjoy with your beautiful family. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. I'll see you in a bit.
Amigas, amigos, aquí ya he terminado con estos pastelitos, empanadas, hojaldre rellenos de queso crema y guayaba. Están, miren, miren qué crujientes. Esta es la parte que más me gusta y más me encanta. Probar mis delicias. Esto siempre queda de lujo. Permiso. El relleno perfecto. No cabe duda que cuando se cocina con amor todo queda riquísimo. Quedó para chuparte los dedos. Si te gustó y te encantó esta rica y deliciosa receta, te invito a que te suscribas, me regales un like, compartas este video en las redes sociales, con amigas, con amigos, con seres queridos, para que Gloria en la cocina continúe creciendo. No se te olvide a presionar esa campanita. Si ya la presionaste, déjala activada. Así que cada vez que suba una rica y deliciosa receta, vas a ser notificada y notificado. Antes de despedirme, yo les deseo mucho amor y paz. Los quiero un montón. Gracias por ser parte de Gloria en la cocina. Regálame tu like, comparte este video y suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.